Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 2, 2022, 2-star Sudoku. 8th row, 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. First grade, we have 6. 5th row and 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Second row, third row, we have 7. Column C also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Third row and fourth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Fourth grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 6. 7th row and 5th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. 5th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 7. Column E, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 6th grade, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Column G also we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column G, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 5th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column I, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column G, column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 9. 4th row, we get 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Then only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 2 and 4, any one of the cells will come. We will confirm later. Ninth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 9. 9th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 9th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 7, 4. 9th grade, we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 4. Column I, we already got 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 9th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column F, we already got 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 3rd row, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 3rd row, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 2nd row, only 1 number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 3rd row, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 3rd row, only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column J, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.